हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू मैथ्स की पाठशाला। आज हम प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस करने जा रहे हैं जो कि जूनियर स्टैटिकल एग्ज़ाम, सब एडिटर, जूनियर असिस्टेंट एग्ज़ाम में पूछे गए हैं। जनरल नॉलेज विद स्पेशल रेफरेंस टू J&K UT। अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रही हैं तो हमारी वीडियोस आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और उनसे भी सब्सक्राइब करने को कहें। चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं हम आज का सेशन। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, with which of the following sports is the Thomas Cup associated? थॉमस कप बैडमिंटन से एसोसिएटेड होता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द ऑस्कर अवार्ड वाज फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेड इन 1929। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which one of the following is a rabi crop? Answer is wheat. Wheat is a rabi crop. Next question is, India first state government owned wildlife DNA analysis laboratory has been inaugurated at? Answer is Nagpur. Next question is, who is the biggest shareholder of European Bank for Reconstruction and Development? Answer is United States of America. Next question is, which what is the genetic material present in the SARS-CoV-2 virus? Answer is ribonucleic acid, RNA. Next question is, which of the following languages is a scheduled language as per the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Answer is Tamil. Next question is, how many goals are listed under the Sustainable Development Goals? Answer is 17. Next question is, who attended the Congress of Oppressed Nationalists at Brussels in 1927 on the behalf of the Indian National Congress? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is, where is the headquarters of United States Environment Program located? Answer is Nairobi. Next question is, which among the following rivers originates from the hills of Amarkantak? Answer is Narmada. Next question is, where is the headquarters of United Nations Secretariat located? Answer is New York. Next question is, in which year was the French East India Company founded? Answer is 1664. Next question is, what is the other name of Himadri mountain range? Answer is Great Himalayas. Next question is, what is the causative organism for tuberculosis? Answer is bacteria. Next question is, Haigam Wetland Reserve is located in dash district of J&K? Answer is Baramulla. Next question is, in which year Siraj Uddin of village Kahuta was nominated as Raja of Punch? Siraj Uddin nominated as Raja of Punch in the year 1596 AD. Next question is, Golden Delicious is a variety of dash fruits which is cultivated in J&K. Golden Delicious is a variety of apple. Next question is, as per the Indian Constitution, dash means a body consisting of persons registered in the electoral rolls comprised within the area of panchayat at the village level. Answer is Gram Sabha. Next question is, special address by Lieutenant Governor to Legislative Assembly is provided under which section of J&K Reorganization Act 2019? Answer is Section 21. Section 21 एड्रेस, ये स्पेशल एड्रेस देता है लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर को लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में under the Reorganization Act 2019. Next question is, dash place in the Union Territory of J&K is known as Valley of Milk. Answer is Dudhpatri. Next question is, which among the following places in J&K was called as the Land of Kings? Answer is Rajouri. Next question is, who among is the following is the world renowned British theoretical physicist known for his contributions to the field of cosmology? Answer is Stephen Hawking. Next question is, Dreams from My Father is a memoir written by Barack Obama. Next question is, which is the deepest trench in the world? Answer is Mariana Trench. Next question is, with which the following sports is the Wimbledon Trophy associated with tennis? Next question is, in which year was Mahatma Gandhi assassinated? Answer is 1948. Next question is, which among the following lakes was formed by a collision of an asteroid? Answer is Lonar Lake. Next question is, who is the Mughal ruler at the time of the revolt of 1857? Answer is Bahadur Shah II. Next question is, what is the term of United Nations Secretary General? Answer is 5 years. Next question is, what is the name of first COVID-19 nasal vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech? Answer is BBV 154. Next question is, when Jayantiya Gaurav Divas was observed? Jayantiya Gaurav Divas, also called as Tribal Pride Day. It was observed on 15th November. Next question is, which of the following soil type covers the largest geographical area of India? Answer is alluvial soil. Next question is, Nobel Prize is associated with which of the following fields? Nobel Prize associated with mathematics. Next question is, in 2012, Sustainable Development Goals was born at United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development held at Rio de Janeiro. Next question is, when was the Asian Development Bank founded? It was founded on 1966. Next question is, where is the headquarters of UNICEF located? Answer is New York. Next question is, Ras Leela is a popular dance form in which of the following states? Ras Leela is the dance of Uttar Pradesh. Next question is, among the following, which is a non-communicable disease? Answer is cancer. In the given option, cancer is non-communicable disease. Next question is, which of the following tourist places in J&K is also called as Meadow of Gold? Meadow of Gold सोनामर्ग को बोला जाता है. So answer is Sonamarg. Next question is, which of the following Mughal king nominated Siraj ud Din of village Kathuta as Raja of Punch? Answer is Jahangir. जहांगीर को सिरज उद्दीन बोला जाता है, कथुता को पुंछ के राजा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, who among the following person may nominate 2 members to the Legislative Assembly of J&K to give representation to women? Answer is Lieutenant Governor. Lieutenant Governor may nominate 2 members to Legislative Assembly to give representation to women. Next question is, Garana is the wetland reserve located in Dash district of J&K. Garana is the wetland reserve located in Jammu. Next question is, Halman is a variety of dash fruit grown in the areas of J&K. Answer is apricot. Next question is, who among the following is the chief designer of SpaceX? Answer is Elon Musk. Next question is, in which year a botanical garden was set up in memory of India's first Prime Minister in J&K? Answer is 1969. Next question is, who is known as Lok Nayak in India? Answer is जय प्रकाश नारायण. जय प्रकाश नारायण को लोक नायक इन इंडिया भी बोला जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डैश ऑफ J&K पंचायती राज एक्ट 1989 deals with the powers and functions of हल्का पंचायत. Answer is chapter 3. Which of the following lakes in the world's highest salt lake? Answer is Pangong Lake. Next question is, what is the term of United Nations Secretary General? Answer is 5 years. Next question is, who was the Mughal ruler at the time of revolt 1857? Answer is Bahadur Shah II. Next question is, in 2012 Sustainable Development Goals was born at United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development held in Rio de Janeiro. Next question is, when was the Asian Development Bank founded? Asian Development Bank founded in the year 1966. Next question is, in which year was Mahatma Gandhi assassinated? In 1948. Next question is, which of the following is the capital of Union Territory Lakshadweep? Answer is Kavaratti Island. Next question is, North Atlantic Treaty Organization founding treaty was signed in Washington. Next question is, which of the following is an Indian COVID-19 contact tracing, syndromic mapping and self-assessment digital service platform developed by the National Informatics Center? Answer is Arogya Setu. Next question is, which of the following folk dance associated with the state of Rajasthan? Answer is Kalbelia. Next question is, which among the following is the largest south bank tributary of the Brahmaputra river in Assam? Answer is Kopili river. Next question is, Karupur Kalamkari paintings and Kallakurichi wood carving have recently received a GI tag belongs to which state? तमिलनाडु. ये तो अब पुराना हो गया, अब उसके बाद और भी आए GI टैग की हम अलग से वीडियो लाएंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, who founded the Ramakrishna Mission in 1897? Answer is Swami Vivekananda. Next question is, who was the first Indian recipient of the Raman Magsaysay Award for Community Leadership in 1958? Answer is Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Next question is, in which year was the All India Women's Conference founded? It is founded in the year 1927. Next question is, which is the example for diseases that gets transmitted through contact with soil? Answer is hookworm. Next question is, who has recently released State Energy Efficiency Index 2020? Answer is Ministry of Power. दोस्तों, ये पुराने साल के पेपर्स हैं जो JKSSP की एग्ज़ाम में पूछे गए हैं, हम उन्हें आज डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. वही ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस. तो अगर आपको हमारा सेशन पसंद आ रहा है तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और कमेंट में बताएं आपको हमारा सेशन कैसे लग रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, who has recently released State Energy Efficiency Index 2020? Answer is Ministry of Power. Next question is, where is the headquarter of Food and Agriculture Organization located? It is located in Rome. Next question is, when was the first World Health Assembly held in Geneva? Answer is 1948. Next question is, the progress on sustainable development goals is monitored by Niti Aayog using which index? Sustainable Development India Index. Answer is Sustainable Development Goal India Index. Next question is, which of the following groups of crops are grown in India during the Kharif season? Answer is soybean, groundnut and coconut and cotton. Soybean, groundnut and cotton. Next question is, who appointed Mia Hathu as governor of Rajouri? Answer is Maharaja Gulab Singh. Next question is, which chapter of J&K Panchayati Raj 1989 deals with Constitution of Block Development Council? Answer is chapter 6. Next question is, which of the following was capital of Kashmir during Shankevarman regime? Answer is Parihaspura. Next question is, which of the following personality is a professional boxer and also won a gold medal at the 1960 Rome Olympics? Answer is Muhammad Ali. Next question is, Sir Ernest Henry Shackleton is a famous for which of the following? It is famous for Antarctic exploration. Next question is, the CM of the UT J&K should communicate all decisions of the Council of Ministers relating to the administration of the affairs of UT and proposed for legislation to the Lieutenant Governor. Next question is, which of the following rivers originates from Harmukh Mount and the true head waters emerges near Zojila and Amarnath peaks? Answer is Nala Sindh. Next question is, in which year Samba region came under the supremacy of Jammu during the period of Haridev in 1816 AD? Next question is, which of the following wildlife sanctuary is located in Kathua district of J&K? Answer is Kathua district में Jasrota Wildlife Sanctuary. Next question is, how is saffron, a cash crop, locally called in Kashmiri language? कश्मीरी लैंग्वेज में saffron को क्या कहा जाता है? कोंग या कोंग? कोंग या कोंग? Next question is, how many members state are there in United Nations at present? 193. Next question is, which of the following soil types is also known as black cotton soil? Answer is rugged soil. Next question is, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank began operations in the year 2016 January. Next question is, among the following which is a communicable disease? Ebola is a communicable disease. Next question is, which is the first vaccine cleared by India's drug regulator for inoculation of those aged 12 years and above? Zycov-D. Next question is, Buddha Charita was a book written by Ashwagosha in dash language? In Sanskrit language. Buddha Charitra was a book written by Ashwagosha in Sanskrit language. Next question is, where is the headquarters of UNHABITAT located? Nairobi. Next question is, the state of Gibraltar connects with the Mediterranean Sea with which ocean? Atlantic Ocean. State of Gibraltar connects with Mediterranean Sea with Atlantic Ocean. Next question is, which of the following states has declared Kesar-e-Hind as state butterfly? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next question is, which among the following is the largest freshwater lake in the northeast of India? In northeast of India, largest freshwater lake is Loktak Lake. Next question is, Pritzker Prize, international award given annually to recognize the contribution of a living architect. Next question is, the Sustainable Development Goals were born at the United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development in Rio de Janeiro in the year 2012. Next question is, in which year was the Quit India movement launched by the Indian National Congress? Answer is 1942. Next question is, which of the following is an initiative of Board of Cricket Council of India? Answer is Polly Umrigar Award. Next question is, in which language was the newspaper Kesari published by Bal Gangadhar Tilak? Answer is Marathi. Next question is, which of the following hydroelectric power projects were constructed on the river Tavi, tributary of Chenab? Answer is Chennai Hydroelectric Project. Next question is, without prejudice to subsection of section 14 of J&K Recognition Act 2019, the seats, total number of seats in Legislative Assembly of United Union Territory of J&K shall be increased from 107 to 114. Next question is, Dash Fort on the left bank of Tavi River was originally constructed by the Raja Bahulachan over 2000 years ago. Answer is Bahu Fort. Next question is, who is the first African American president in the history of United Nations? Answer is Barack Obama. Next question is, who was the builder of Martand Sun Temple and founder of Kashmir Valley Canal Irrigation System? Answer is Lalit Aditya Muktapida. Next question is, Baltal Wildlife Sanctuary is also known as Thajwas Wildlife Sanctuary. Next question is, which part of the Constitution of India is entitled as municipalities? Answer is Part 9A. Next question is, in which year the construction of Dhanidhar Fort in Rajouri was completed? Answer is 1855 AD. Next question is, Jack Ma is the founder of Alibaba Group. Next question is, which of the following highway connects J&K National Highway Project NH44? Next question is, Abel Prize was established by which of the following government? Answer is Norwegian government. Next question is, who was the Governor General of India during Great Revolt 1857? Answer is Lord Canning. Next question is, which is the recommended site for administration of coronavirus disease COVID-19 vaccine? Answer is deltoid muscle. Next question is, whose birthday was declared as Tribal Pride Day? Answer is Birsa Munda. Next question is, which of the following was replaced by the Sustainable Development Goals? Answer is Millennium Development Goals. Next question is, from which of the following regions do the Western disturbance originate? Answer is Mediterranean region. Next question is, when and where did the revolt of 1857 begin? Answer is 10th May at Meerut. Next question is, which of the following is the highest peak in Africa? Answer is Mount Kilimanjaro. Next question is, which country is the largest shareholder in Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Answer is China. Next question is, which communicable disease among these is caused by bacteria? Answer is cholera. Next question is, dash is the Sikkimese New Year which marks at the end of harvest season? Answer is Losung. Next question is, where is the headquarters of World Food Program located? Answer is Rome. Next question is, with which of the following sports is the Walker Cup associated? Answer is golf. Next question is, the United Nations Secretary General is appointed by the General Assembly on the recommendation of the United Nations Security Council. Next question is, which among the following lakes is situated in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh? Madhya Pradesh. Answer is Upper Lake. Next question is, who among the following person wrote the famous book named War and Peace? Answer is Leo Tolstoy. Next question is, the tomb of Ziyarat Baba Haider Rishi is situated in which of the following districts of J&K? Answer is Anantnag. Next question is, Chennai Nashri Tunnel is also known as Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Tunnel. Next question is, Miyahathu governed Rajouri from 1846 to 1856 AD. Next question is, dash is the zoological name of red fox found in J&K? Answer is Vulpes vulpes. Next question is, after passing through Srinagar, the river Jhelum flows into which of the following lakes? After passing through Srinagar, the river Jhelum flow into the Wular Lake. Next question is, who is known as the father of local self-government? Answer is Lord Ripon. Next question is, Chapter 5th of J&K Panchayati Raj Act 1989 deals with conduct of business. Next question is, Emperor Jahangir wished to be buried at Varinag in Anantnag district of J&K. Next question is, according to J&K Recognition Act 2019, the Lieutenant Governor of J&K must act on the recommendation of advisory committee within, answer is 30 days. Next question is, Pritzker Prize International Award given annually to recognize the contribution of living architect. Next question is, how many member states are there in United Nations at present? Answer is 193. Next question is, where is the headquarters of Unhabitat located? Answer is Nairobi. Next question is, Buddha Charitra was a book written by Ashghosha in dash language? Answer is Sanskrit. Next question is, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank began operations in the year 2016 January. Next question is, where is the headquarters of United Nations Development Program located? Answer is New York. Next question is, India's first Atal Community Innovation Center launched at Vivekananda Global University, Jaipur. Next question is, in which of the following mountain ranges is the Bor Ghat situated? Answer is Western Ghats. Next question is, where is the headquarters of World Health Organization located? Answer is Geneva. Next question is, which of the following is the first goal in the list of 17 Sustainable Development Goals? Answer is no poverty. Next question is main Booker Prize is a prestigious award given annually to the full-length novel in which language? Answer is English. Next question is which of the following folk dance forms is originated in the state of Gujarat? Answer is Dandiya. Next question is which is a causative organization what is the causative organism for typhoid? Answer is bacteria. Next question is which of the following soil types is also called as Urasa soil? Answer is saline soil. Next question is in which among the following Indian states do we find the Barachuki Falls? Barachuki Falls found in Karnataka. Next question is who has been named as Sportswoman of the Year at 2021 Laureus World Sports Awards? Answer is Naomi Osaka. Next question is in which year was the Widow Remarriage Act passed by the British East India Company? Answer is 1856. In 1856, Widow Remarriage Act passed by British East India Company. Next question is when was the nuclear supplier groups created? Nuclear supplier groups created in the year 1974. Next question is who founded the Tatabodhini Sabha in 1839? Answer is Debendranath Tagore. Debendranath Tagore. Next question is the Covishield vaccine used against coronavirus disease COVID-19 is a dash vaccine. It is a viral vector vaccine. Next question is dash is known as Meadows of Jesus in the Union Territory J&K. Answer is Usemarg. Usemarg is known as Meadows of Jesus. Next question is Lachipura Wildlife Sanctuary is in which of the following district of J&K? Answer is Baramulla. Next question is the book Pax Indica was written by which of the following personalities? Answer is Shashi Tharoor. Next question is which of the following lakes is known as Harmukh Ganga? Answer is Gangabal Lake. Next question is in which of the following years the first municipal corporation in India was established? It is established in the year 1688. Next question is which among the following forts was built by General Zorawar Singh, the famous Dogra general? Answer is Bhimgarh. Next question is District Kishtwar was carved out from which of the following district during the year 2007 and 2008? Always remember, District Kishtwar was carved out from the Doda district in the year 2007-2008. Next question is how many international airports are there in J&K? Answer is only one. Next question is the Union Territory of J&K will be administered by the President through an administrator appointed by him known as Lieutenant Governor. Next question is who among the following is a former Australian cricketer? Answer is Ricky Thomas Ponting. Next question is when was the North Atlantic Treaty Organization founded? Answer is 1949. Next question is Ashokan rock cut inspiration deciphered by James Prinsep was written in which script? Answer is Brahmi. Next question is where was the first World Health Assembly held in 1948? Answer is Geneva. Next question is, where was the Mohammedan Anglo Oriental College founded in 1875? Answer is Aligarh. Next question is, where is the headquarters of the United Nations Industrial Development Organization located? It is located at Vienna. Next question is, who is the only female boxer in the world to become world amateur boxing champion? Answer is Mary Kom. Next question is, the world third and India's first public transport ropeway is proposed to be constructed in which city? Answer is Varanasi. Next question is, in which Indian state is Mirik Lake situated? Answer is West Bengal. Next question is, the Roman Magsaysay Award was established in memory of which country president? Answer is Philippines. Next question is, what is the mode of transmission for tuberculosis? Answer is droplet infection. Next question is, what is the name of India's first mRNA based COVID-19 vaccine developed by Pune based biotechnology company Genova Biopharmaceuticals Limited? Answer is HGC 019. Next question is, which of the following is an example of an leguminous crop? Answer is soybean. Next question is, which of the following is the second goal in the list of sustainable development goals? Answer is zero hunger. Next question is, who is the most political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is Gopal Krishan Gokhale. Which is the smallest continent on earth in terms of area? Answer is Australia. Next question is, the world famous personality LeBron James is associated with which of the following? Answer is basketball. Next question is, the Legislative Assembly of J&K may make laws for any part of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir related to any matters specified in the state list of the Constitution except public order and police. Next question is, Manasbar Lake is located in which district of J&K? Answer is Gandarbal. Next question is, which Indian social activist has been named by Biden administration for newly instituted anti-corruption champion awards? Answer is Anjali Bhardwaj. Next question is, dash schedule of Indian Constitution contains 18 functional items of municipalities? Answer is 12th. Next question is, who among the following rulers adopted compulsory primary education regulation in Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is Maharaja Hari Singh. Next question is, Jammu region comprises of how many major agroclimatic zones? Answer is 2. 2 agroclimatic zones. Next question is, which of the following conservation reserves is located in Anantnag district of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is Khiram. Next question is, Bahulochan was succeeded by which of the following rulers? Answer is Raja Jambu Lochan. Next question is, which of the following is a popular shrine of Baramulla situated near the Alpatar lake? Answer is Ziyarat of Baba Rishi. Next question is, which is a DNA plasmid based COVID-19 vaccine developed indigenously in India? Answer is Zycov-D. Next question is, with which of the following sports is the Uber Cup associated? Uber Cup associated with badminton. Next question is, who has won the bid to acquire national carrier in Air India? Answer is Tata Group. Next question is, Lovani is folk dance form associated with which of the following states? Answer is Maharashtra. Next question is, where was the first roundtable conference held in 1930 to 1931? Answer is London. Next question is, the Tehri hydropower complex is built on which of the following rivers? Answer is Bhagirathi river. Next question is, who is the chief administrative officer of United Nations? Answer is United Nations Secretary General. Next question is, in which of the following years Abel Prize was established by the Norwegian government? Answer is 2002. Next question is, which is the largest physiographic division in India? Answer is Peninsular Plateau. Next question is, Bajra is an example of millets. Next question is, हमने लास्ट किया था बाजरा इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ मिलेट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वेयर डिड द कुंवर सिंह, अ discontented zamindar, organized the revolt in 1857? Answer is Bihar. Next question is, where is the headquarters of United Nations Population Fund? United Nations Population Fund, its headquarters located at New York. Next question is, when did the Sustainable Development Goal come into force? Answer is 2016. Next question is, which country is the second largest shareholders in Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Answer is India. India is the second largest shareholder. Next question is, which communicable disease among these is caused by virus? Answer is influenza. Next question is, Sindh Nala, Nala Sindh is one of the tributaries of which river? Nala Sindh is the tributary of Jhelum river. Next question is, My Country, My Life is an autobiographical book written by L.K. Advani. Next question is, who among the following is the Prime Minister of India is referred as father of Indian economic reforms? Answer is P.V. Narasimha Rai. P.V. Narasimha Rai was the Prime Minister of India who is referred as Indian economic reforms father of Indian economic reforms. Next question is, under the J&K Recognition Act 2019, the total number of seats in the Legislative Assembly of the Union Territory of J&K to be filled by person chosen by direct election shall be 107. Next question is, dash is the meadow of Kang Tehsil of Budgam district of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is Tosa Maidan. Next question is, what is the UT animal of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is Hangul. Next question is, who among the following wrote that Poonch was famous for graphics, fine tea, mushroom and good horses? Answer is Huan Tsang. Huan Tsang wrote that Poonch was famous for graphics, fine tea and good horses. Next question is, which of the following district in J&K is the birthplace of Basoli art paintings? Answer is Kathua. Next question is, the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992 provides for a dash tier system of Panchayat Raj in every state? Answer is 3. Next question is, which of the following national highway passes through J&K? Answer is 501. Next question is, which among the following is the tributary of river Godavari? Answer is Manjira. Next question is, which of the following is a viral vector vaccine for coronavirus disease approved in India? COVID-19. Answer is Covishield. Next question is, which country is the largest producer of pulses in the world as of December 2020? Answer is India. Next question is, the Sustainable Development Goals adopted are envisioned to be completed by 2030. Next question is, which among the following is the largest shareholder of Asian Development Bank? Answer is Japan. Next question is, what is the causative organism for dengue? Answer is virus. Next question is, in which year United Nations Environment Program was established? Answer is 1972. Next question is, with which of the following sports is the Ryder Cup associated? Answer is golf. Next question is, Bharatanatyam is a classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. Next question is, in which year was the World Health Organization founded? Answer is 1948. Next question is, Theosophical Society was first founded in which of the following countries? Answer is USA. Next question is, which state has launched the Swachh program to ensure affordable access to health and menstrual hygiene products among adolescent girls and women? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question is, who among the following organized the Young Bengal movement in 1831? Answer is Henry Vivian Derizio. Next question is, in which of the following states of India is the Kulu Valley situated? Answer is Kulu Valley, situated in Himachal Pradesh. Next question is, Oscar award is associated with which of the following fields? Answer is film industry. Next question is, which of the following tourist destination is located in Budgam district of J&K? Answer is Dudhpatri. Next question is, which of the following international airports is located in Srinagar? Answer is Sheikh Ul Alam International Airport. Sheikh Ul Alam International Airport located in Srinagar. Next question is, which king has changed the name of Rajouri to Rampur in the Union Territory of J&K? Answer is Maharaja Gulab Singh has changed the name of Rajouri to Rampur. Next question is, when did Maharaja Gulab Singh, the Dogra ruler of Jammu, annexed the Kishtwar region? Answer is 1821 AD. Next question is, the Baglihat Dam is built on which of the following rivers in J&K? Answer is Chenab. Next question is, who is called as the father of White Revolution in India? Answer is Varghese Kurian. Varghese Kurian is called as the father of White Revolution in India. Next question is, who among the following is a Portuguese professional footballer? Answer is Cristiano Ronaldo. Next question is, the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992 provides for a dash term of office to the Panchayat at every level. Answer is 5 years. Next question is, who shall not vote in the first instance in the Legislative Assembly but shall have and exercise a casting vote in the case of equality of votes under the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019? Answer is Speaker or person acting as such. Next question is, which of the following nation park is famous for Markhor? Markhor. Scientific name is Capra falconeri. Next question is its answer is Kazirnag National Park. Kazirnag National Park. Next question is, in which of the following years Abel Prize was established by Norwegian government? Answer is 2002. Next question is, where is the headquarters of United Nations Population Fund located? In New York. Answer is New York. Next question is, which is a DNA plasmid based COVID-19 vaccine developed indigenously in India? Answer is Zycov-D. Next question is, which country is the second largest shareholder in Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Answer is India. Next question is, where did the Kunwar Singh, a discontented zamindar, organize the revolt in 1857? Answer is Bihar. Next question is, which communicable disease among these is caused by virus? Answer is influenza. Next question is, who has won the bid to acquire national carrier Air India? Answer is Tata Group. Next question is, बाजरा is an example of millets. ये सभी क्वेश्चन प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम में आए हुए हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, लेवानी इज फेमस फोक डांस. लेवानी इज फोक डांस फॉर्म एसोसिएटेड विद विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स? आंसर इज महाराष्ट्र. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, with which of the following sports is the Uber Cup associated? Uber Cup associated with badminton. Next question is, the Tehri hydropower complex is built on which of the following rivers? Answer is Bhagirathi river. Next question is, where was the first round table conference held in 1932-31? Answer is London. Next question is, when did the Sustainable Development Goals come into force? Answer is 2016. Largest physiographical division in India is Peninsular Plateau. Who is the Chief Administrative Officer of the United Nations? Answer is United Nations Secretary General. Next question is, who among the following wrote that Punch was famous for graphics and fine tea, mushroom and good horses? ये repeat हुआ है question. Huan Tsang. Next question is, the 73rd Constitution Amendment Act 1992 provides for a dash type system of पंचायत राज. ये हम देख चुके हैं 3. ये भी हम देख चुके हैं 107. Father of Indian economic reforms, P.V. Narasimha Rao. Which of the following district in Jammu and Kashmir is the birthplace of Basoli art paintings? Answer is Kathua. Next question is, which of the following national highways passes through Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is 501. Next question is, UT animal of Jammu and Kashmir is Hangul. Sindh Nala is tributary of Jhelum. My Country, My Life autobiographic book written by L.K. Advani. Dash is the meadow of Kag Tehsil of Budgam district of Jammu and Kashmir. Answer is Tosa Maidan. Tosa Maidan. When Janjatiya Gaurav Divas, Tribal Pride Day, was observed? In 15th November. Next question is, Ras Leela popular dance in Uttar Pradesh. First COVID-19 nasal vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech is BBV 154. Next question is, with which of the following sports is the Wimbledon trophy associated? Answer is tennis. Which is the deepest trench in the world? Answer is Mariana Trench. Which is the non-communicable disease? Which of the following is non-communicable disease is cancer? यह भी हम कर चुके हैं. एबल प्राइज मैथमेटिक्स से साथ बिलोंग करता है. मुकर रूलर कौन था रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857 के टाइम पे? जो ये बहादुर था सेकंड. एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक फाउंडेड इन द ईयर 1966. Who among the following lakes was formed by the collision of an asteroid? Answer is Lonan Lake. Term of United Nations Secretary General 5 years. Headquarter of UNICEF located in New York. In 1948 Mahatma Gandhi assassinated. ये भी हमारा हो गया. Which of the following soil type covers the largest geographical area of India? Largest geographical area of India. Alluvial soil कवर करती है. Next is Meadow of Gold, सोनामर्ग को बोलते हैं. World highest salt water lake, Pangong Lake. Garana Wetland Reserve located in the district Jammu. ये भी हमारा हुआ चैप्टर 3. ये भी हम कर चुके हैं. In which year botanical garden was set up in the memory of first prime minister in Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is 1969. ये जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं सब के सब मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है क्योंकि ये प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम में पूछे गए हैं. Who is known as लोकनायक in India? जयप्रकाश नारायण. Who among the following is chief designer of SpaceX? Elon Musk. Which of the following Mughal king nominated Siraj-ud-Din of village Kahuta as Raja of Punj? Jahangir. Halman is a variety of dash fruit grown in the area of Jammu and Kashmir. Apricot. Which of the following state has declared Kesar-e-Hind as state butterfly? ये नहीं पढ़ा हमने पहले, तो इसका आंसर है अरुणाचल प्रदेश. इबोला नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज. लोकटक लेक लार्जेस्ट फ्रेश वाटर लेक नॉर्थ ईस्ट इन इंडिया. फर्स्ट कोविड वैक्सीन साइकोव-डी. ये भी हो गया हमारा, ये भी कर चुके हैं. ब्लैक कॉटन सॉइल इज रैगर सॉइल. मराठी केसरी न्यूज़पेपर जो बाल गंगाधर तिलक ने पब्लिश किया था, यह मराठी लैंग्वेज में किया था. क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट 1942 में हुई थी. बुद्ध चरित्र वाज अ बुक ऑफ अश्वघोषा इन संस्कृत लैंग्वेज. तो ये ज़्यादातर हो ही चुके हमारे क्वेश्चंस. ये भी हुआ है, ये भी हुआ है. ये डिफरेंट एग्ज़ाम के JKSSP के पेपर हैं, इसलिए रिपीटेड हैं. सभी पेपर कलेक्ट किए हैं, ये उसकी एक PDF बनी है, इसलिए रिपीटेड लग रहे हैं. बहु फोर्ट ऑन द लेफ्ट ऑफ रिवर तवी was originally constructed by Raja Bahulochan over 3000 years ago. Chineni hydroelectric power project was constructed on river Tavi. It is a tributary of Chenab. Which part of Indian Constitution of India is entitled as municipalities? Part 9A. Which of the following highway connect with J&K? National Highway 44. Next question is, who is the first African American president in the history of United States? बराक ओबामा। ये हो गया ये। हाँ। इन विच ईयर द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दनीदर फोर्ट इन रजौरी वाज कंप्लीटेड इन 1855 AD। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बालतल वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी इज आल्सो नोन एज थजवास वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज जैक मा इज द फाउंडर ऑफ अलीबाबा ग्रुप। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ये हो गया हमारा, ये भी हो गया हमारा। हाँ। विच हु इज द बिगेस्ट शेयर होल्डर ऑफ यूरोपियन बैंक फॉर रिकंस्ट्रक्शन एंड डेवलपमेंट। आंसर इज यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज थॉमस बैंक बैडमिंटन से एसोसिएटेड होता है। फॉलोइंग रिवर ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम हिल्स ऑफ अमरकंटक नर्मदा। ये भी हो गया है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रबी क्रॉप वीट। ये हमारा हम कर चुके हैं। इंडिया फर्स्ट स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ओन्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ DNA एनालिसिस लेबोरेटरी हैज बीन इनॉग्रेटेड एट नागपुर। Wimbledon trophy is related to which of the following sports? It's lawn tennis. Next question is the headquarters of Commonwealth of Nations situated in London. What is the full form of UNESCO? Answer is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Next question is where is the headquarters of Atomic Minerals Directorate for Exploration and Research? Answer is Hyderabad. Next question is in India, Department of Expenditure comes under which of the following ministers? Answer is Ministry of Finance. दोस्तों अगर आपको हमारे लेक्चर पसंद आ रहे हैं तो हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रही हैं तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स हमारे साथ जुड़े। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन वाज द बीमस्टेक established? Answer is 1997. Next question is who was the first woman to climb the Mount Everest? Answer is Junko Tabby. Next question is Seoul is the official currency of which of the following countries? Answer is Peru. Next question is French is the official language of which of the following United Territories of India? Answer is Puducherry. Next question is who is the first woman to head an Indian missile project? Answer is Tessie Thomas. Next question is which of the following is the capital city of Ethiopia? Answer is Addis Ababa. Next question is James Cook discovered which of the following island? Answer is Hawaii Island. Next question is which of the following organization is a successor of to the League of Nations? Answer is United Nations. Next question is GNPMP is equal to GDPMP plus net factor income from abroad. Next question is in which year Ovira Aru Wildlife Sanctuary in Jammu and Kashmir was established? In 1981. Next question is which of the following cricketer is known for the record of most international wickets? Answer is Muthaiya Muralidharan. Muthaiya Muralidharan. Next question is which of the following construction projects is located on the Srinagar Leh section of National Highway 1 in the Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory? Answer is Zojila Tunnel. Next question is which of the following lakes is located in the Budgam district of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is Nilang Lake. Next question is Dash is the famous warrior who made two abortive attempts to invade Kashmir in 11th century? Answer is Muhammad Ghazni. Next question is the Jammu and Kashmir First Village Panchayat Regulation Act of 1935 was amended in which year? In 1941. Next question is when did the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of India came into force? Answer is 24th April 1993. Next question is according to Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. The quorum to constitute a committee, the Legislative Assembly shall be dash of the total members of Legislative Assembly, whichever is greater. Answer is 10 members or one third. Next question is dash is the time period of Chaliya Khurud in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Answer is 20 days. Next question is Buhu, the famous conservation reserve, lies in which district of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is Jammu. Next question is dash is a cold water spring of special significance is located in the Kulgam district of Jammu and Kashmir. Answer is Vasak Nagpund. Next question is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is also known as Bismarck of India. Next question is in which year the Jammu and Kashmir Academy of Art, Culture and Languages was set up by the government of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is 1958. Next question is the Vishnupad Lake in the Jammu and Kashmir is also known as Kosar Nag. Next question is who among the following sports person associated with the sports badminton? Answer is PV Sindhu. Next question is the market in which we can buy and sell currencies during foreign trade is also known as foreign exchange market. Next question is who is the first Indian woman to win a Paralympic gold medal in shooting? Answer is Avani Lekhara. Next question is Kigali is the capital of which country? Answer is Rwanda. Next question is which among the following discovered the Victoria Falls? Answer is David Livingstone. Next question is in which year the International Fund for Agriculture Development created? Answer is 1977. Next question is when was the Financial Action Task Force established? Answer is 1989. Next question is the Financial Action Task Force on Money Laundering was established by G7 Summit. Next question is what is the full form of GPRS in communication terminology? Answer is General Packet Radio Service. Next question is where is the Kalpakkam nuclear power station located? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question is where is the headquarters of World Food Program situated? Answer is Rome. Next question is Machu Picchu is located over which of the following river valleys? Answer is Urubamba. Next question is the ratio of nominal to real GDP is a well known index of prices is called GDP deflator. Next question is which of the following is the country's first large research reactor that uses U-233 as fuel? Answer is Kamini. दोस्तों अगर आपको हमारे लेक्चर पसंद आ रहे हैं तो वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दोस्तों के साथ सब्सक्राइब करवाएं ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दोस्त हमारे साथ जुड़े।